The HSI Pet's Favorite Towel. This is a high quality microfiber towel to use when drying off your pets. Since it's a high density microfiber, the towel absorbs water very quickly. It comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, as well as various colors. Even just this small size can absorb up to 1 liter of water. So you can dry your pet much quicker and therefore reduce the stress on them. To use it, gently wipe the moisture off with the towel and then pat your pet down. Great to use after their bath or even after they've been in the pool or the lake. So get your new favorite pet towel from HSI today.